Hi, I'm Andrew Potocznik and welcome to the new studios here at TimberCon in Melbourne. Welcome back to another episode of Choosing Your Lathe. If you're a furniture maker or a person who likes to make tables, you will want a lathe that has a long distance between centres. You can always put an extension bed onto one of the smaller lathes, but in this case we've got a lathe that has a dedicated long bed. Getting my measuring tape out, I can see that this lathe is 1,050 millimetres long between centres, or in the old language, just over 41 inches. So it's more than ample clearance for a table leg. When you look at the headstock of the lathe, and by the way, this is a 1 horsepower motor, so you've got plenty of power there, you'll notice that apart from the start and stop switches, you've got this lever here. And what does it do? Let's have a look. It's old-fashioned technology. It's a mechanical variable speed switch. Another of the features of this lathe is that when you unlock this lever here, you can slide the whole headstock up and down the bed. So if you want to, you can actually work right at the end of your bed when you're doing when you're doing faceplate turning, and then you can stand right in front of the work. The other thing is you can also release this and spin the lathe around to, well, the headstock around to about 45 degrees, or you can go all the way to 90 degrees. And that way you can work on larger pieces of work, and then you just bring your tool rest across for support and off you go. If you know you're going to be doing a lot of long spindle work, you need a good long bed, which you have here, plus you have the advantage of mechanical variable speed, and you also have the swivelling head. For more information, click on the links below, and don't forget to like and subscribe and do all the things you do on your socials. I'm Andrew Potocznik, and I'll see you another time.